on 13 April 2022, Mr. Sayed forwards to General Khan a series of pictures of helicopters. But before you look at all of them, you'll see at 6606. So the second last message, the text where it says, he forwards a message from someone. It says, "Hi Mo, Ramadan Mubarak. Trust you have had a blessed time. Did you know SA police are selling their helicopters? I'm sure you know the right guys to talk to. If you could get them at the right price, we could sell them." And then he forwards the pictures of the helicopters. And on page 6613, after the pictures of the helicopters, the message from General Khan is, "Salams, bro, I will ask General Ritt." So we know now that General Ritt is the DivCom. He's in the procurement. This was before General Fani was in the SAPS, and General Ritt. We looked at it a little bit earlier. If we could just get the page reference. In fact, we look at that faulty TN13 on page 286, at least on mine and Commissioner Beloy's version. You'll see that in 2021, Lieutenant General Ritt was the Divisional Commissioner for Supply Chain Management. This is a position that General Fani then. That's right. And then, again, still not enough. There's another approach on 14th June. And if the commissioners were to look at page 5982, on 14 June 2021, Mr. Sayed sends General Khan a message with saying the following: 1, nationwide network revitalization and optimization project. 2, deployment on cybersecurity solutions in 9 provinces. This is the one we are responding to now, and he gives the reference number. He follows that with the next message, which says, "We'll chat tonight." And the next message, "We can partner with you on these 2 with collaboration with my current stakeholders. Budget is over 700 million on both. Thanks." Next message from Josie. So these are a set of messages that are forwarded from Josie. Mr. Sayed sends it on to General Khan, who responds, "Okay." And the reason, commissioners, that I'm not going anywhere else in the chats further on these is because we don't really know what became of it. So what I'm trying to show here is that there are a couple of very detailed conversations with regard to some contracts, but it doesn't end there. There's a series of attempts and forwarded messages saying there's this opportunity here, there's that opportunity there. That's what it looks like to me, and that's what I'm presenting to the commissioners from these there's the helicopters and then there's the cyber security.
Isn't the further point perhaps that they seem to suggest or indicate General Khan's willingness to assist using his position in the SAPS? For example, the one where he said, I'll speak to Jay Reed or somebody. So he has access to people within SAPS that he's able to approach on behalf of a private entity or individual.
That's the point. That is the point, Commissioner Baloyi.
And perhaps it's stronger than just assisting. He's in for himself as well, or he's in it for himself as well. I'm talking generally now, even about the other attempts in relation to other contracts.
That's correct, Chair. I mean, that's certainly how it appears. And specifically on those where there's a detailed interaction. And it's not a question of just, I'll make an introduction and I leave it at that. And I'm not engaging any further. It's continuous meetings. It's continuous back and forth with every time there's a message from Mr. Said, please can you follow up with pilot, follow up with Gen 1, please can we set a meeting? General Khan facilitates and says he's going to do so. And, responds to say, yes, I meeting set for 2 p.m., that kind of thing. So it's not a simple, I'll make an introduction and then it's up to you to do the rest.
I mean, on the issue of helicopters, he says, get them at a good price, we will sell them.
Well, I don't know who the we is, but it seems to be...
We is not you or they, it's we.
It's we.